Alright, so we're going to do a little unboxing and then do an install. And this is going to be for the Super ATV Nerf bars that goes on the 2021 Plus Commander. This is on the XT Max, so it's the long Nerfs. I think the only person that really offered them was through OEM. You could get them through, can't remember what company makes them, but it was an OEM offer. Super ATV started offering a set of them. So this is how they came in. It have a little box damage on that one and on that one, but I don't think anything that's going to bother them. But let me get the camera set up here and we'll start. Hopefully y'all can see up there good. Hardware, stickers, $600 stickers. Nothing in that. They seem to be boxed really nice. Not really for sure, so there's some way to connect them together. Just to be the driver's side front. Passenger side front. So I'm sitting around. Say that I'm wrong. It's probably the backs. Figured it out. I'll make it right up second. So, 4 5, 6. Set of stickers, $600+ set of stickers. At least you get 2 packs. There you go. Let's go ahead and put the first mark on. That appears to be everything you get in the boxes. Sure. Fronts and backs, which I think I told you wrong. I'm pretty sure these are going to be your fronts. This would be the passenger, that'd be the driver. And these hook onto these little clamps here. These little ordeals. There to put the 2 pieces together. You got your hardware bolts that goes through. You're supposed to go in and mount on existing mounts. So we'll see when we get there. And they give you a little barcode, that way you can download the instructions. Just didn't pay enough money to get a paper copy of them. Saving the trees. But you got grease on. We'll see where we go from here.